Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Nadia Jaman Isha. Today, I would like to take you through the journey of my semester one. The journey that started with curiosity, made with confusion and a lot of nervousness, but finally it led me to confidence. So, now let's begin with an unexpected beginning. The first time when I entered my classroom, I felt like I'm entering to a completely different world. It's structured with Python code, is SQL queries, operating system, HTML and CSS. And I'm from a completely different background, which is not related to IT structure. So these courses felt like not easy to adapt, but then if someone told me before that I'm like doing a Python code and creating a website, that I would have laughed, because I never imagined myself in this field. And what motivates me to start finally? My motivation for joining this IT course was simply began with curiosity. I always wonder what happened behind a website. How does data get stored? How does a computer manage so many processes? I want to know the answer, but not just from a AI like ChatGPT. I want to know the whole process from the start till end. So that's how it motivates me to joining this course. As the day passed, week passed, my motivation didn't fade at all. It's consistently growing, and now I don't use only technology. I'm making technology. And finally, when I'm running a Python code and it run out successfully, and I'm creating a basic website with the help of HTML and CSS, and I made a beautiful website, then it gives me a small happiness. That small happiness gives me a victory, and it felt like a motivation to move forward. And let's begin with the SMART goals. Like every good journey, it needed a direction. So the first thing I will explain is the weekly Python practice. I try to practice Python every week, and focus on the syntax and the problem solving mostly. And the second is HTML building. I try to make a basic website with the help of HTML and CSS for the basic structure and styling. And the third is SQL. I try to repeat SQL commands until it felt like natural. And the class participation. I try to keep myself more communicated in class with my class fellows and professor to be more productive in my classes. Then to make a weekly plan to be more active in my weekdays. Then let's begin with where I stand now. Now I can make a basic Python code and run it successfully without the help of AI, the basic one, and the HTML web page. Now I can create website with the help of HTML and CSS. I can run a SQL queries without any errors. And I'm thinking that I am improving more than before in my classes through my communication. And I try to be more organized in time management now. If I'm talking about my biggest growth throughout this semester, then it will be definitely my confidence. The biggest thing I gained in this semester. In the beginning, every error in my Python code or in HTML, it felt like a roadblock. So now I don't feel these are the clues that helps me to solve the puzzles. And now Python trained me. HTML basically helped me to build a structure. CSS helped me how to make a website with a proper style. And then SQL taught me persistent. And together all of this shaped me as a person, that helped me to grow as a student and who can tackle any challenges. And by all of this growth and results, there are some points and sector where I still need to work. Not because I'm weak on those sector, just because I want to grow more in those sections. The first thing is a faster Python problem solving. My ability to work on Python more faster comparing to before. Then the second is SQL master. I want to go in the deeper into SQL queries and solve the complex syntax. And I try to express myself more clearly and efficiently in a public place. Throughout my journey from the beginning to last, I think my journey has a clear path. I also mentioned before that it started with curiosity, and I struggle with confusion and a lot of nervousness. Then I'm seeing progress. Then it led me to be more confident. And this semester is not only about learning HTML, CSS, SQL queries, operating system. This is also about my learning ability, adapting, and keep going. This is my first presentation. I hope you all liked it. My story doesn't end here. This is just the chapter 1 of my story. And thank you for listening. I'm ready for your questions. Thank you.
Thank you, Nadia.